Are you seeing BulkTester.com everywhere, promising an easy gift card just for completing a few simple steps? The website claims that you can start by clicking Start Now, enter your email and basic details, complete a few recommended deals, and then claim your gift card. These deals are described as simple tasks like downloading an app, filling out a survey, or signing up for a trial. According to the site, once you finish between 2 and 5 of these offers, you'll unlock the full value of the reward. On paper, it sounds quick, easy, and almost risk-free, which is exactly why many people are curious about whether BulkTester.com is legit or just another online scheme. Before we go any further, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about how this actually works in real life. BulkTester.com doesn't sell a real product or service. Instead, it guides users through a reward funnel. You're asked to provide your email and sometimes other personal details before anything is guaranteed. After that, you're required to complete multiple third-party offers. While these offers are often promoted as free and easy, many of them involve trial subscriptions, app installs, or sign-ups that can later turn into paid charges if you're not very careful. Another major concern is the reward itself. Promising a high-value gift card for completing a few surveys is highly unrealistic. Big brands simply don't give away gift cards this easily. Offers like this usually sound exciting at first, but the reward often remains out of reach no matter how many steps you complete. The site also heavily uses well-known brand names to appear trustworthy, but there is no clear proof of any official partnership or authorization. This kind of branding can be misleading and is often used to create a false sense of legitimacy. Transparency is another big issue. There is no clear information about who owns the website, no business address, and no real customer support. At the same time, the site collects personal information, such as your email and phone number, which increases the risk of spam or data misuse. When you look at the bigger picture, BulkTester.com follows a very common pattern seen in reward-based affiliate funnels. The main goal appears to be earning money from users completing sponsored offers, not actually delivering a gift card. There is also no verified proof showing when or if the gift card is ever sent, and no trusted reviews confirming successful payouts. So, is BulkTester.com legit or a scam? While it may not be an outright scam in the traditional sense, it shows many warning signs of a misleading reward scheme. If you decide to try sites like this, be extremely cautious. Avoid using your main email or phone number, and never sign up for paid trials unless you fully understand the terms. As always, if an offer sounds too good to be true, it usually is.